Hi everyone, this is April with Flowers from the Foss family, and so today is going to be like a wish-wash of things that I want to share. So we garden in zone 4A up here in northern Minnesota. It's cold today, so yesterday was super hot. Today is like in the 50s. So I just changed my clothes into a sweatshirt because we were shopping around today. We had to get a toilet. We have to replace a toilet. And then we just went and did some other things that we needed to do. But November, her first big girl bed, not her first, but you know, a big girl bed. So that's gonna be a huge thing. They're gone for the weekend at grandma's. But so I have been searching and searching for an Astrantia, and it's a perennial here. And I found one online and I bought it in the spring, and it came and we planted it and it died. I was so upset because I really wanted that. And so I've been looking. I looked at all the nurseries that we have around here, and no one had it. People didn't even know what it was. And so then we had to go up to Menards, which is like 30 minutes away from here. And they have a Gordy's farm market that has all the fun things, flowers and all the fun things. And I found an Astrantia. And I'm gonna have to show you in a second. I'll go show you, but I'm so excited. So I bought 3 of them because you can't find them anywhere. And so maybe if you see this and you watch this and you're around here or not around here, go see if you can find it, because I heard from the impatient gardener that she was looking for it like 2 years ago maybe, and she had a hard time and she finally got her hands on it. So the ones that we planted are established. It was just a root that we planted in early spring, and I don't know why it died, but these ones are established plants. They have the flower on them and everything. So we're gonna plant those. I don't know when we're gonna get to it because it's supper time now and it's cold, and so I want to show you. I'm gonna show you. Okay, these are the Astrantia, and they were all the same color. They had all the same color, but there are different colors. And I like this color, but there's even a lighter pink that I want. They didn't have that one. But all it says here is Astrantia, Star of Beauty. There's no information on here or anything. So I'll have to look it up and try and share. But let's see if I can get it to focus. Look at how cute these are. I can't even. Were those not so cute, those Astranias? Okay, and so also I bought 2 mums chrysanthemums. Say it. Anyways, they're bronze and they're super cute. And so Matt planted some aster seeds, and none of them came up, which is so sad because they're super pretty. But none of them came up, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna plant those. I don't know if we're gonna do it tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. It's cold. It's cold out here. Okay, and so the last video I made, I said there's aster seeds right here. Well, nothing came up, so I'm putting 1 there, and then I don't know if I want it there or right there. I think I'm gonna put it over here more. Maybe I'll grab another one, but nothing is coming up, so we're gonna put them right there. I should get 1 more for right there, but I think that'll look cute once everything is coming up. And we still need to get the marigolds in. There's the lupin over there. Look how cute they are. So cute. I want to share the lupin that came up. The video that I took of this was like 3 days ago, and they're just like this one. Do you see that? Is it focusing? It was like that one. And then in 3 days, this is how they look. I can't get over it. And if you drive around town, Almost all of them are purple because they're native. That means they're native, right? So they're everywhere in the ditches and on hills and everything. So they're all over, and there's barely any pink ones. And so we have this baby pink color that I want everywhere. And then we have this, it's like a salmon pink. Will you get your cardboard? We were covering up our flower, what were we covering up? Our flower food with that box. Look how cute! We have a few in the front that I'm going to share too. I also want to share the berry smooth heuchera that is flowering. So I'm not sure why that one isn't flowering yet, but look how cute these are. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It's focusing on these back ones, but they're so cute. These lupin are in the front yard. The other ones were in the back. So these are a really pretty purple color. And then these ones down here are gonna get ready. They look like maybe they're pink. I'm not sure. Isn't that so cute? Okay, I'm also gonna share the irises that have popped out, bloomed since my last video, which was just a day or two ago. Look at that. Look at those irises. So this is from my uncle, I shared before. Look at that. I don't know what it's called because he had them for like 40 years or so, he said, but it is so pretty. And then this one too. Look at that. Is that not so pretty? So then there's a few more. Our yew has lots of new growth on it, which is good because I thought maybe it was dead, but it's looking good. They grow very slowly apparently. Here's another one getting ready to bloom all over it, but they're so pretty. Like, I thought I hated irises, but I think it was just maybe I wasn't super fond of the purple ones that you see everywhere around here. So there's another one. There's just all kinds that are gonna get ready to bloom. I have to share this wormwood over here. was crazy. We stuck one little stem in there and it just took off. Catmint. This took off. It's so pretty. I love that purple color. Right next to the berry colored Astrantia. That is gonna be too cute. I can't even stand it. Can't even stand it. Oh, the sun for a second. Yeah, it's a listen.
It's gonna get.
I suppose. Oh!
There's the hose. Not about the hose.
So exciting. Look at the weather.
That's all we got. Better than nothing.
If you want. Yeah, because there's going to be corn planted in there. That's Matt's little puncture tool. So it punctures the tube, or drip tubing, and he puts a little emitter on there so water will come out around the spot. Is that a 1 gallon or 2 gallon?
2.
So
that's gonna be this whole.
Yeah, that's a 2 gallon emitter. And so we looked up Astrantia needs the soil consistently moist. And this is what we planted in the spring and it died. But this came with a collection. So hopefully it lives. This is a white Astrantia, I believe. Let's hope it survives. The things around it are annuals.
Should these be buried or what? More?
No, I think it's okay, but I don't know. What do you think? Maybe it. No, it's fine.
Let's build it up.
Yeah, just mount it up.
Mount it.
Now that thing behind the tube is a rhizome.
What is this?
That's a Yarrow rhizome.
This is something?
Yep. Careful of the jewels of opar. That's a jewel of opar. We'll probably have to be careful with Yarrow because it has rhizomes. So yeah, not a deep hole. We're putting some plant tone on it because that's what we have and it's better than nothing.
These little tips go up.
Yep.
And then they just barely get covered or what?
Well, I think you do. They go below the soil, so barely below the soil.
Yeah.
I would cover it with dirt.
Because the iris ones were barely in there too.
Iris.
Remember? Pretty far away now.
Hydrangeas need lots of water, we're learning. So he's gonna put another 2-gallon emitter right there. That hydrangea looks super healthy, so. Eh.
Well, down here.
Yep, I have a couple more of those.